shortest cooking time. Difficulty level, easy. Suppose you plan to cook tortillas. A tortilla is considered to be done only if both sides are cooked. It takes 1 minute to cook a side. The cooking pan that you have can only cook 2 tortillas at a time. Now the question is, what's the shortest time you need to cook 3 tortillas? Okay, let's give it a try. Here is a cooking pan and 3 uncooked tortillas. Let's set up the timer. First, let's put in 2 tortillas and start cooking. After 1 minute, we flip them and cook for another minute. We then take them out and put the third one in the pan and cook for 1 minute. Then turn it over and cook for another minute. So in total, we've used 4 minutes to cook 3 tortillas. However, we noticed there was a waste in space while cooking the third one. Could we save time if we didn't waste the space? Let's try again. This time, we have the same pan and 3 uncooked tortillas. Let's set up the timer again. Here we go. First, we put in 2 tortillas as we did before. After 1 minute, we flip them and keep one in the pan and substitute the other with the third tortilla. Cook for 1 more minute. At this moment, the first one is done. Both the second and third tortillas are half done. So all we need to do is replace the completely cooked tortilla with the half-cooked one on the side and continue to cook for 1 minute. Without wasting space, we have cooked 3 tortillas in 3 minutes. Mission accomplished.